These are Govee LED light strips, and this is a 16.4 foot spool. These do have app control and you can sync them to music. So it comes with one spool and your power plug-in, and there is not a separate remote. Your remote is hooked up to the spool, and it has a self-adhesive backing that you can stick it to the wall. You have 3 button controls, your off, and then your 2 light controls. Let's check out what some of these lights look like. You have some different flickering patterns, and you have your basic standard just colors that just stay on. The smaller spools are a lot easier to put up, especially for people who have never ever put up LED light strips. Just take your time, clean the area, and use tape along the way. And every now and then, every couple of feet, just put a piece of tape. That way, if something starts happening, you at least have that to back you up, because it can be a big tangly mess after a little bit. But the smaller spools are a lot easier to do for people who have never put LED light strips up. I hope this helps, and I hope you have yourself a great day. Take care.